So let's get into the video. But before that, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the notifications and even like the videos. Come on, let's get into the recipe. So guys, boil some potatoes for our both potato recipe. So I have already boiled it. So our first chaat is Aloo Handi chaat. Come on, let's see the recipe. So first here I have taken the boiled potato. I'm going to show you guys how to make a handi, means the cup. So first cut the small piece at the starting. And then now gently handle it and then make a hole and then scoop the potato out and then give it a shape like a cup. Handle the potato gently because it's already boiled. It may break. See how cute the handi is. So give the handi shape for the remaining potatoes also. Super cute. So guys, our cute small handis are ready. Come on, let's make our Aloo Handi chaat. First place the Aloo Handis and then now we are going to add all the spices. First here I am adding roasted cumin powder in the handis and then Kala Namak, means the black salt. And guys, one more thing is that please don't skip any spices because all the spices are very important for this Aloo Handi chaat. Now add red chili powder in all the Aloo Handis. And the last but not the least, chaat masala. Add the chaat masala in all the potato handis. Here I am adding the chaat masala for the tangy flavor. I like tangy flavor in chaat recipes, so I am adding it. So our next thing is kala chana or else the black chana. Here I have already boiled it. So now add the kala chana in the Aloo Handis. And guys, who and all like chaat, please like this video. Looks very awesome and beautiful, no? They are very cute, super cute. Okay, now repeat the same. Add all the spices again which we added, like the roasted cumin powder, kala namak, red chili powder and the chaat masala. Add all the spices again at the top of the kala chana or the black chana. And guys, if you guys are not having chaat masala, don't worry, you guys can add amchur powder. Guys, now I'm going to add khatta meetha chutney and the consistency of the khatta meetha chutney should be watery. Add some water to the khatta meetha chutney and give it the consistency of a water. And then I have already posted the recipe of the khatta meetha chutney in our channel. So please watch it, try it and try this potato chaat recipes. Guys, seriously, after adding the khatta meetha chutney in this Aloo Handis, a very nice smell is coming, mouth watering. Seriously, I'm telling. Okay, now add chopped onions. And then freshly chopped coriander. Wow. And guys, this is a healthy chaat recipe, so definitely try it. Now add chopped tomatoes. Looks very colorful. Now add save. Crush some save and then add it. There we go. Our aloo handi chaat is ready. Wow. See how beautiful it is.
Guys, come on, it's tasting time. Wow. Very nice. Very yummy. Very tasty. No words to say about this yummy aloo handi. Definitely you guys will like this, so please try it. Wow. So guys, our next potato recipe is aloo chaat. Come on, let's get into the recipe.
Already I have boiled 3 medium-sized potatoes and I even chopped it. So here I kept a pan. I'll show you guys. So here in a pan I have added 2 big tablespoons of oil and then I have heated it. Now I'm going to add the potato and then I'm going to fry it until it turned into golden color. And this is very simple recipe. So definitely you guys also try it. Very easy to make. And then guys, don't over mix it, the potato may break. Slowly the potato is changing its color. See? Wow, it's ready. Now let's transfer this to a bowl. So transfer it. So here I have transferred the potato to a bowl. Now let's add the spices. So first here I am adding chaat masala, roasted cumin powder, kala namak, some coriander powder, red chili powder. According to your spiciness, you guys can add the red chili powder. Now toss it. First mix it and then toss it. Or else you guys can directly toss it. Okay, now let's transfer this to a plate. Very nice. Looks very beautiful. Come on guys, now let's assemble our aloo chaat. Very crunchy. Okay guys, now I'm going to add the chopped onions on the top of this crunchy potato. Guys, the same thing, don't skip anything which I have used in this aloo chaat recipe because all are very important. All the items give a very good taste, so don't skip anything. Now add chopped tomato. And then freshly chopped coriander. Okay, now squeeze some lemon juice. And then sprinkle some chaat masala. and then some roasted cumin powder. And guys, now I'm going to add save. Crush the save and then add it. Looks amazing. Wow, our yummy aloo chaat is ready.
Okay guys, now let's taste our aloo chaat. Come on. Okay, first spoon is for you guys. Okay, now let's taste it. Very tangy, very tasty. No words. So guys, our yummy aloo handi chaat and potato chaat is ready. So definitely you guys also try this recipe because these both chaats are 100% no words, and I don't know how to tell the taste of the chaats. That tasty it is. So definitely you guys also try it and subscribe to Snacks Box and click the bell icon for the notification and even like the videos. Thanks for watching and I'll meet you guys in our next video. Until then, bye.